How's it going, guys? SNAPnSAVE, and today we're doing an application called SNAPnSAVE. The application allows you to save money while you do groceries. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos in this channel. With that being said, I'm SNAPnSAVE, and let's get into saving you some money. Back from the shops right now. I've got my groceries, as you can see, and now I'll switch to the application and show you how it works. Now, SNAPnSAVE. SNAPnSAVE is an application that allows you to save money using coupons. Now, how it works is simple. Let's get into the application. First, when you open the application, you are greeted with coupons. You choose the coupons that you want, whether it be milk, bread. There are a whole range of things. There was Coke and all those things, but at the moment it's not available. So once you've chosen your item and then you click Snap, you'll choose a shop that which you have bought the items in. So whether it be Pick n Pay, Checkers, Boxer, Cash and Carries, there are so many. You can choose from a wide range of shops. And once you have chosen your shop, which is mine at the moment is Pick n Pay, and you now have to snap your tail slip. It's going to automatically open the camera, so then you'll take your snap. Make sure that when you snap the photo, it's clean and shows the date and the items that you've chosen, so that it doesn't get denied or rejected. And once you've done that, you take a clear photo. It is that simple. You wait for 4 days, and after 4 days they review it and you get the money into your account. Right now I've got like 22 rand something in my account, and once I'm eligible to pay out, and then I'll show you how to do that in a future video, in an update video. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm SNAPnSAVE, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
She knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay